Here is a Perplexity Pro review. Now, Perplexity Pro is accessible on the App Store if you want to download it, or you can just go ahead and click on the website. And as you can see, Perplexity Pro has two plans. So there is a Pro, which costs $20, and Max, which costs $200 a month. Now, what are the difference between the Pro and Max features? So for the Pro features, you will get 10 as many citations answers and access to Perplexity Labs and unlimited photo uploads. While on the Max is that you can avail all the features that the Perplexity Pro has. So the easy words is on Pro there is also a limitation, while on Max there is no limitations. Now, what is Perplexity Pro? Perplexity Pro is the premium subscription plan designed to enhance your search experience with advanced features and capabilities. So, if you are on a research type and you wanted a real citation and nice feature, Perplexity Pro is the right one for you.